What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are painting the Aoshima Nissan Skyline GT. In this video, we are painting it, and I am trying to do a different camera angle. I think this camera angle looks pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comment section, or if you like the older version better. But I think this one you can see a little bit more, and you can see how far my airbrush is and stuff. The other one was kind of close up, and it was kind of low down as well. It's kind of hard to see the top of the body and stuff. So in this video, we are going to prime the body. I kind of lost the first footage of me painting the first coat of primer, but not too big a deal. So we're painting it in dark primer from Splash Paints because the color that I'll be using on this car, I kind of want to be a little bit more darker than it already is. So this dark primer worked out perfect for the base, and then we move on to our first coat of color. Alright, now it's time to do our first coat. I'm going to go ahead and do hard to reach first, easy to forget spots, and the color I'm using is dull yellow. This is actually a military color from Splash Paints. It's actually a pretty cool color, and to believe it or not, this is actually very close to the color from factory of this car back in 1979. I thought it was pretty cool. So it's a very unique color. It's more of a military color, but yet this is a color they used back in the day, because colors back in the day, they weren't as beautiful and poppy as colors today in today's day and age. But so we're gonna put this on. We're gonna do 3 coats. Again, very light coat. This first coat, as you see, is very light. You can clearly see the primer through it. That's what you want. You want to make sure it has a nice bite for your second and third coat to go down. So first coat is really light. Make sure you take your time and make sure your airbrush, is back in this video. I think I do like this camera angle because you can see how far my airbrush is back, which is pretty cool. So yeah, first coat, keep it nice and easy, and just don't go heavy, and make sure it's a good base for your second and third coat to lay on top of. Now it's time for the third and final coat. This coat can be heaviest of them all. Not too heavy because obviously you don't want quick runs or anything like that, but this one can be a little bit heavier than your first coat, and just get that overall thickness and get it all covered as usual. So this color turned out really good. I actually like this color, and the dark primer really worked good because I want this color to be a little bit darker than it really was. If I use a light gray primer, then this color would be a lot more brighter. So dark primer worked out perfect for this, and has a nice dark tint to it, like the factory color, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this is a very cool color, and I've never done the military color on any car, and I've actually never done any car in this particular color, to be honest. So very unique, and it's just a factory color back in the day from Japan, and I think it's pretty cool. So I want to do something different. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. Watch the rest of it. Hope you enjoyed. There are pictures of it at the end, and stay tuned for that. But until next video, we'll go ahead and catch you next time. Take it easy.